We're back again, Justice and Steve, for the 3S method. And we were talking about the meaning behind the three main kind of flagship things that we do when we talk about structure, when we talk about self-sufficiency, and whenever we talk about scalability. So today what we'd like to do is dive a little bit deeper into that middle one, into self-sufficiency. We want to tell you what that means to us and how having your business be self-sufficient is so very important in the very beginning.
Especially for you folks who are starting off a home business, and I know a lot of you from the correspondence I read, a lot of you guys are doing this on the side, so to speak. You've got a day job, whether that be part-time or full-time or whatever. Self-sufficiency in your home business is going to be key to you, because you're going to want to move away from being an employee into being a business owner, and you can do that once your business pays for itself.
That's exactly right. Self-sufficiency, to give you kind of a definition so you know where we're coming from, self-sufficiency literally means that the business starts to make money within a very short period of time. If you go to the kind of standard business consultant, what they'll tell you is you really have to have between 1 to 3 years of income put aside, because your business isn't going to be profitable for 3 years. Well, we're here to tell you that, yeah, you can certainly structure a business so that it's not going to be profitable for 3, 5, 10. You can probably structure it so it's never going to be profitable. Some people do. The thing is that you can also structure a business so that you can start to make money with that business idea within the first 1 to 3 months. And we believe that if you are starting off, if you're somebody who's just wanting to get going in business, then you want to get started as inexpensively as you possibly can, and you don't want to be feeding that business with more money all the time. The whole idea of getting into business is to have the business give you money.
Yeah,
exactly.
Make money, yeah, not take money.
So we want to help you to be able to know how to set that business up so it can be self-sufficient for you. So that after a month or two, it's not only paying its own way, it's paying you. And yeah, it may start off just paying you a few $100s a month, but you are not having to pay for it. It's covering itself and it's paying you. And that is so important.
That's key, because as I said, a lot of you are starting off, you've already got a job and limited funds, which is why you want to do this. So it is really key that your business concept is able to stand on its own 2 feet in the shortest possible period of time, 1 to 3 months, as Justice mentioned. If you go to any conventional kind of consultant, they're just going to shake their head and say, no, that doesn't work, because their business model is predicated by you coming back for a longer period of time than 3 months. So whatever it is you're going to do, look at it as your business. Part of the goal is to have that business actually create an income, and it doesn't matter whether it's 50 or $100 for the first month. It's coming in, not going out, and that's the key.
That's exactly true. There are so many things out there that talk very much about, you know, the wonderful thing about this business, the wonderful thing about buying this kind of thing, getting involved in real estate, getting involved, and there's lots and lots and lots of really great business ideas out there. The trick is always to have income coming in, not going out. And if you think that an extra couple of $100 or $300 a month isn't a really big deal, then think of it this way. If you had a business that was providing you an extra $300 a month on top of what the costs of the business were, you could go out and get yourself a new car. You could lease yourself a new car. You could put the money away for a vacation. There's many, many things you could do because it's paying you. And that's the magic and the importance in the 3S method of having something that's self-sufficient. You don't pay it, it pays you.
And that should draw the line on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that's a good one.
So we'll talk to you on the next video. Have a great day and catch you real soon.